It's hour 23 of labor. Okay, just breathe. Just breathe. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Okay, how are you doing? Are you doing okay? Are you doing alright? Alright, ready? One more, do it! Woo! I can see that! Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't pick it up! Look how beautiful it is! Oh my gosh! What do you want to name it, darling?
I love you. Patricia!
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 Ah!
I love you!
Beautiful!
Wow, my God, my baby.